Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You will find here uninstall and you can click to install again your app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.